so landforms. So landforms are the natural features of the Earth's surface. We're going to find that these are going to look different in different parts of the Earth. And you guys have heard of a lot of these, so I'm not going to define them, like mountains, valleys, right? You're going to, basic things you've heard of. Plains, we're going to talk about rivers, right? Lakes, all these things are various landforms, cliffs, canyons. Okay, here's a picture of a canyon, right? So you've got some cliffs or mountains near a river, right, with a excessive drop off, right? So there's different features we're going to find on the Earth's surface. Now, what are some forces that cause these different features to develop? Can you give us any?
Rain, like weather things would cause these?
Sure, rain, that can be water erosion. Erosion will be a force and a factor, yeah. Were you going to say something else?
Weather, wind.
Wind, yeah, wind can cause the deterioration of like soil and things like that. Will cause different landforms to develop. Good.
Tectonic plates.
That's a big one. Yeah, those tectonic plates under the Earth are going to be shifting around, and that's going to cause some things to happen. Like what?
Well, I mean, like up here in Alaska, we have like so many mountains. I can't even count the amount. So that's one thing.
Mm-hmm. Mountains are going to be formed by the compressing of the plates, or we might have volcanoes around that area. Yep, which causes new mountains or other land to be formed.
I mean, I was kind of thinking that like in a war or something, like past wars, like a bomb could drop and it like could make like a crater or something.
Okay, yeah, that's not so much a natural force, but that's a human cause of a change. We're going to talk about human interactions as well. So
Earthquakes.
yeah, earthquakes are one. That's good because they can cause rifts, right? Breaks in the land. Yeah. Let's see. Anybody else have their hand up here?
Usually, like erosion and over time. Usually when there's big, I think like when a big change when dinosaurs lived, they say that there was a meteorite that hit the earth. So I'm guessing when the land shifted and moved over time.
Yeah.
Being cracked in the earth.
Sure. Meteorites are one. Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure how often that occurs, but that could affect the Earth.
Global warming.
Sure. And that is something we're going to talk about and kind of to try to figure out what is causing that, and is it natural or man-made. We're going to have a conversation about that, but theoretically that could be a force, right, causing change. Yeah. So yeah, you guys hit on pretty much all of them. Erosion, we talked wind, water, glacial erosion is another one, and that is it's when the glaciers, receded during after the Ice Age, right? Some of them gouged the Earth. And we have the Finger Lakes where I live, and those were apparently caused by glacial erosion. Yeah. Okay, good. So any questions or comments here?